Unclaimed money could be yours. We've all seen movies involving some sudden financial windfall. Maybe the character received an inheritance from an uncle he barely knew. Or maybe his investment finally paid off. How did our lucky movie character find out about his good fortune? Someone knocked on his door, or he received a notarized letter. In other words, the money came looking for him. You probably think you could never be that lucky, and you would be partially right. Yes, there might be money out there waiting for you, but no one's going to tell you about it. You need to look for yourself at www.unclaimed.org. It happened to me. I inherited a few shares of stock years ago. They were worthless at the time because they weren't paying dividends. I felt it was the thought that counted, and I completely forgot about the stocks themselves. At some point, unbeknownst to me, the shares regained some of the value, and eventually those funds were turned over to the state as unclaimed money. After finding the stocks under my name at unclaimed.org, I completed the paperwork and sent it in. After a 9-month wait, I received a check in the mail. Pennies from heaven. Ever since I found money in my name, I periodically check for unclaimed money for myself and family members. I found a life insurance policy for my grandmother and money that belonged to my father. Yes, you never know what you'll find. If you think it can't happen to you, consider these possibilities: unused traveler's checks, rental security deposits, utility account overpayments, old bank accounts, uncashed checks, estate proceeds, savings bonds. How could you not know about this money? Easily. You may have moved without updating your address at all your old utility companies, or the estate process check may have gone to an old address, and you've probably forgotten about that little savings account you opened at the bank near your parents' house. It happens. When you have a few minutes and are on the Internet, you may want to check for yourself at www.unclaimed.org. If your name is on the list, you will need to follow the instructions to learn where the money came from and if it's really yours. Remember to check out each and every state you have lived in. I can't say enough. There should not be a fee involved in this process. This literally is free money. Let me know what you've found. Until next time, this is Jill Russo Foster.